Hello everyone, welcome to Python tutorials. In this tutorial I have created a Python quiz game, and in this game the code will read the questions from the file and will display to the user. Okay, so first of all let me show you the output first. So let me run the code and then I will explain. So you can see in the output, welcome to Python quiz game, type exit anytime to quit the quiz. So first question is, who created Python programming language? So let's say I enter 3. Okay, so you can see it will show me the answer is wrong. Okay, because the creator of Python programming language is option 1. Okay, so let's again, now it will give me the second question, which keyword is used to define a function in Python. So let's say this time I enter 2, and you can see it shows me the answer is correct. And now which symbol is used for comments in Python, and now suppose if I enter 2, it will show me the correct. And what is the file extension of Python files? Now this time I will enter the wrong, let's say 1, and it will show me the wrong, and it keep asking me the questions. And now suppose I want to exit, I don't want to attempt the question, I can simply type the exit, and you can see you exited the quiz. It will show me the quiz summary. Questions I have attempted 4, correct answers are 2, and my score is 2 by 4. And all these questions it is reading from the file. And now I will explain the code. Okay, so this is the file that I have created. So you can see the format of the question is, first of all there is a question, so who created Python programming language, then pipe symbol, then all the options are there separated by comma, and then the correct answers. So similarly you can see the second question, which keyword is used to define a function in Python, and then you can see the options and then the correct. Okay. So this way you can create a multiple questions in the in any file. So same format. So again the question, and then pipe symbol, and then all the options, and then the correct answer. Okay, so this way you can create so many questions in the Python file. Okay, so now let me explain the code. So here is my code. Initially score is 0, attempted is 0. So I am just printing welcome to the Python quiz game, type exit anytime to quit the quiz. Now what I am doing, I am reading the questions from the file. So you can see the file name is questions. So file name is questions.txt, and I am reading the questions from the file. So I am doing file.readlines. Okay, so here I am storing it in the questions. Now for Q in questions, what I am doing, I am actually you can see each of the question has 3 parts. Okay, so first part is question, second part is the options, and third part is the answer. So each of the question has 3 parts. So question, options, and the correct answer, you can see. Okay, so what I will do, so I will split using this symbol, because each of the option is splitted by this pipe symbol, you can see. So I will split the it using pipe symbol. And now what you have parts 0 question. Okay, so this is the 0 index, question is the 0 index, options are the first index, and the correct answer is the second index. So I am doing the same. I am doing the 0 index in the question, options part I am doing in the first, and correct answer in the, you can see, second index. Okay, so you can see, so 0 index, this is the 0 index, this is the first index, and this is the second index. Okay, so again you can see the options have you can see the second part, which is the options, and all the options are separated by the commas. You can see all the options are separated by the comma. And what I am doing, I am just splitting the second part, which contains the options, by comma. Okay, and now what I will do, I will print the questions to the user, I will show the questions to the user. Okay, and then I will show the options to the user. You can see, So I will show the options to the user. As you can see my in the output, you can see any question and you can see first, second, third and fourth option. Okay, so how it is doing, I am doing simple. For I option in enumerate, and you can see options, I am starting from the one because I want to show it the option number 1, option number 2, option number 3, option number 4. So I am just printing the options to the user. And now what I will do, I will wait for the user answer. So input answer, enter your answer 1 2 3 4 or exit. So you can see after the question I am asking the user to enter the answer. So user can enter any answer or user can exit. Okay, so again very simple. If the user answer is exit, I will simply print you exited the quiz and I will break from the loop. Okay, and what I will do, I will now the user otherwise user has attempted the question. If the user will not enter the exit, it means user will attempt the quiz. So what I will do, I will incrementing attempted by 1. Initially attempted is 0. Okay, now what is simple, now very simple. If the user answer is equals to correct answer, no, correct answer I am already storing here. You can see if the user answer is equals to correct answer, I will increment the score and I will print the correct, otherwise I will print the wrong. Okay, very simple. So this loop will continue unless the user enter the exit. Okay, so very simple. And then I will print the quiz summary. Questions attempted are in the attempted, correct answer is in the score, and your score is score divided by attempted. So you can see here your score is 2/4. So very easy. So this way I have created I have created questions in the file, and then I am using the code for the quiz game. So I hope you have understood it. In case of any query, in case of any suggestion, you can comment. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.